Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a whole wizard is a next part is discussed here. And guys, previous lecture is a first three whole wizard. First three is a counter bore and counter sink and hole is a discuss here, and first three is next part is discuss here. Okay guys. Okay, next point is next point of a whole wizard is a discuss here. Okay guys, first 3 point is discuss here previous lecture, and first this is a straight tap, and this is a tapered tap, and this is a legacy tap. Whole is discuss here. First is a straight tap is a, and this also same here ISO standard, and this is a straight pipe tapered hole. All is a perfect, and the size is more. 16 is correct, and all is perfect. This is a perfect, and position is 3D sketch here, and this is a correct. And write exit, click OK. This is a perfect. This body is a correct, and also this is a edit feature, and this is a blind. This is a height is increase and decrease, and this is a this thread is also, and also this is perfect. Body is correct here. This is a perfect, this change here. This is a correct, first is a, and last is correct. This is a correct. Perfect, you can see here. Next part is a discuss here. This is a taper tap. Taper tap means you can see here, easily learn here. And tapered pipe tap. Size is 1/6, more 4 is correct, and all is a perfect. And position is sketch. This is a more. Again discuss here. This is a perfect, size is 1 is a correct, position is a select this. This is a correct. And this is a perfect. And also this is a edit feature is a, this is a this is a increase, this is a, and also increase here. All is perfect. This is nice looking here. This is a perfect. And next part is a, this is a legacy hole is a, this is a position is a correct, sketch, this position is a correct. Right click and click. This is a correct. Legacy hole is a simple, and also a edit feature, and feature is a, this is a being edited is a simple drill, taper drill, and C bore drill is a correct. And also 1 by 1 is discussed here. This is a perfect. This is a counter. This is a correct, and all is a preview is showing here. This is a preview is showing here, and this counter bore and counter sunk is a correct. This is a perfect, and this is a looking nice here. Looking is perfect. This is a Okay, okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, okay. Guys, next lecture is discussed here. And guys, today is all 3 point is complete here. And okay, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, and then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next part is coming soon. Okay, okay guys, thank you.